How to delete Instagram avatar. If you've created an Instagram avatar but no longer want to use it, here's how to delete it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Long press on your profile picture, and then in the window, tap on the avatar icon. Next, tap on Edit Avatar. Here, you'll see your current avatar. To delete your avatar, tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the window, tap on Delete Avatar. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete your avatar because the deletion is permanent. Confirm by tapping Delete. Your avatar will be deleted, and it will no longer appear in your account. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram avatar. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share and follow for more tips and tricks.